Merry Christmas, everyone. Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery. And I just want to take a minute here today as we're coming to a close here on 2020 and ultimately celebrating Christmas Day here on December 25th. And thank every single one of you for all of your love and support that you've given this channel over this past 12 months. Now, we have taken a slight transition, as you know, from earlier this year when we moved from our muscle building, Frank Rich fitness related content to specifically helping men break free from the shackles of porn addiction. And as I wrap this video up here, because I want to keep this really short, as you're celebrating time today and for the rest of this year with your friends, family, and loved ones, find something to be grateful for. Find the opportunity to find gratitude in life, to find gratitude in the blessings of relationships, in the blessings of being around your family and your loved ones. And I want to give you an opportunity. I want to give you guys the right, the responsibility to give yourself a gift this year and into 2021. And that gift is freedom from pornography. So we're not going to make this tactical. We're not going to make this about tips and strategies. There's over 100 videos specifically on this channel for you guys that are looking for some help. But I want to remind you that if you're looking for freedom from pornography, it's ultimately your decision and your responsibility. And a couple tools that are going to help you is, first and foremost, download the 7-step guide to living life without porn. I'm going to link it down in that first pinned comment below. Secondly, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your post notifications are turned on. And thirdly, get plugged in with our Rebuild Your Life Facebook group community. I'm going to link it down there below the ebook in that first pinned comment. But those are 3 tips, 3 strategies that are going to help you in removing porn from your life and stepping into the life that you were created to live. But ultimately, guys, this message is for you. It's me expressing gratitude for your support, for your love, for you joining us in this movement to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction. God bless you all, and we'll see you tomorrow with another video.